What's up everybody, it's PJ the Great. I hope you're having a super beautiful day. And today we got a little nostalgia going on. We got a couple of ancient and old computer parts that we want to share with you. The first thing is this thing. I remember I had a computer just like this, and this is my friend Bert, aka Where That Invites Sister's old computer. Remember that build that I did for her? If you want to check out that video, I'll leave it linked up here somewhere. This is what that computer replaced. As you can see, it is old as I don't know what, and we're gonna go over the specs and then like boot it up and see what it looks like on the inside. And I don't know, this should just looking at the specs, this is funny. Alright, so before we power this thing on and see what it looks like, I gotta introduce my boy right here. Well, actually he'll introduce himself.
Alright, it's that B-U-R-T, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you for joining me on his channel, which I'll probably be posting this on mine as well, or share it. I belong on WTI, but also you can see me on Mixer, streaming as Rumham76. So that's where I do my video games now. And as my channel now, I just tell stories.
And we'll be linking all of his social medias and channels and all that stuff up here, down here, and all around here. So let's get to it. Let's not crack it open, but let's turn it on and see what we're working with. All right, Where That Invite? Do the honors. Power it up.
There you go. Just like
popping up over here.
Just like my old DJ Jeff. It's pretty fun. Look at this thing pop just open like that.
Did that just pop over there?
Yeah, it just went.
Alright, so still waiting for it to turn on. It's got a hard drive in it.
See, there it goes, closed down.
Oh man. This thing, and it is just so and it's still not on. Alright, man, it's trying to do something now.
It's breathing.
It's breathing.
That's the mouth that's breathing. I don't know, that shit a little bit.
So to give you an idea while we wait for it to power on,
there we go.
this thing has a E6300 Intel Core 2 Duo processor. It's got a mouth. And 2,048 megabytes of memory, so 2 gigs of memory. 2 gigs of memory. Phones have more memory than that. A 320 gigabyte hard drive, not SSD, hard drive. And we're still waiting for it to turn on. Is it gonna turn on?
This thing has breathed more than anything.
It's like breathing. It's like, oh Lord, I'm sure it's tired. Oh, there it is. All right, so what? It's like it's got juice.
I think my keyboard is too
powerful. Now the
mouse don't work.
What happened to the mouse? At least we have the mouse. Please hold.
Many tic-tacs later.
Okay, so apparently this thing is so old we can't even get a keyboard and mouse to work on it. So we're gonna reboot it, try it again. And now it's gonna take all damn day for it to shut down.
Probably, dude.
Jeez. I don't know how your sister did it.
She kept it on.
Smart. Did I give you this? Because I swear I had the same damn computer.
She actually bought it.
Oh, really?
Mm-hmm.
I had the same one, but I didn't have this. It includes HP Pocket Media Drive Bay. This, look at what goes in here. I'm gonna have to look that up.
This one right here is actually a DVD burner plus label burner.
Yeah, that's LightScribe. You guys remember LightScribe? I still have LightScribe discs at home. All right, so we're not giving up. We're gonna try this again.
And then worst comes to worst, he'll probably take this home and just take it apart.
Oh yeah, I'm definitely doing that. For sure. Like I said. Yeah, I'm gonna take this thing home and I'm gonna dissect it and just take a look inside. I'm gonna dust the hell out of it outside first.
Yeah, he definitely, he can't need a can, he needs one of those leaf blowers, some bitches, and blow that sucker off.
I have a leaf blower too.
You should do it like that.
I am.
Like I said, well, I'll go see about David's keyboard.
There goes that. Well, plan B, we're gonna try a different keyboard and see if that works.
Many tic tacs later.
Now let's get in here. Have some little Windows Vista fun. It's just think about it. His sister was using this just like what, 3 months ago.
Yep.
How, Jeanette? Got files waiting to be burned to a disk. Now I just saw something that's look.
Yeah. Come on, you're gonna have to show that close.
Look at this. Remember when Apple allowed you to put Safari on PCs? It has Safari on it. Oh my God, it's like, I just want to keep it just because of that. Safari. All right, I'm still trying to get in here and look at the specs. So, read this in so you can
See some of the data.
Yeah, look at that Vista goodness. Look at that.
Vista.
I miss Vista. Said nobody. Find which version of Windows you are using. There it is. That's what I was looking for. Let me get you in there. So, make sure you can see that. Windows Vista Home Premium. Intel Core 2 CPU. I thought it was a Core 2 Duo. Is it? Yeah, it's a Core 2 Duo. Running at 1.86 gigahertz and 2 gigs of RAM.
2 gigs of RAM?
Yeah, 2 gigs of RAM. You can't play anything with 2 gigs of RAM.
Diner Dash.
Diner Dash? Oh yeah, that's right, because she did play Diner Dash.
My mom loved Diner Dash.
And Mama Febby loved Diner Dash. And it's got a NVIDIA GeForce 9400 GT. Okay. Oh no, this is funny. This edit is okay. Okay, so I want to see if I can run a Cinebench and a Geekbench on this, just because it'll be funny.
I can't wait to watch the finished version of this when he takes it all apart, just to see what kind of chip it looks like inside it.
Right, yeah.
I wanted to actually see what the RAM looks like in it. So I'm very curious myself what the motherboard looks like. After he worked on my computer and seeing the process of everything, it's incredible, you know. So I'm kind of curious on myself. I'm gonna wait definitely for this video to come out.
It probably has like IDE connections for the hard drive. Oh, uh-oh.
Put it to blow up.
Uh-oh.
What happened? Virus?
System requirements. Windows 10. We may not even be able to Geekbench this.
It went 2 gigabytes of RAM it needs. We got that.
We got that.
We got the 2 gigabytes of RAM.
So we don't have. I wonder if you could put Windows 10 on this.
Many tic tacs later.
Cinebench.
Cinebench.
Windows 7 or higher. And that ends the segment of trying to benchmark this computer. We all know what the results is going to be anyway, so whatever.
Many tic tacs later.
Okay, so it's an epic fail trying to get Geekbench working on here as well as Cinebench. This machine is too old to do that, but we're going to still have a lot of fun with it in another video. I'm going to actually crack it open and look inside of it just to see what all the parts look like and everything. Then I might see, you know what, I think I will. I'm going to see how far I can upgrade this. Like what kind of parts can I put in this to make it somewhere close to 2019.
I can't wait to watch that video. So this is definitely going to be a two-parter video, right?
Oh yeah, for sure. For sure. So, alright, so we're not done. We got some more retro tech to share with you. Actually, I'm going to let my boy wear that invite, hook up the intros. Which one you want to do first?
Well, we're going to do, I'm a big Dungeons & Dragons fan. I love Dungeons & Dragons. Been playing it since the original Advanced Dungeons & Dragons D&D. Initiative. Yeah, right. Roll that D20, baby. Roll a D6. Anyways,
4 dice.
it's 4 dice, baby. So back then, I used to play this game on the computers at school. They allowed me to play it.
Yeah.
Now, back then, on my day of schools, I played this one. When it came out, we had these. I'll let you hold one up too.
Okay.
Because it came with 2. The old floppy disks.
Floppy disk drive.
And as you can tell, it's all like that. Now this was beautiful back in the day. It was real nice. They got instructions of what not to do to it. And I keep this because it just reminds me of, you know, what we dealt with, you know.
That's crazy.
It's something to look at, you know, and it actually says IBM
PC.
Of course, the details are unbelievable.
Yeah, sure. That's
Yeah,
crazy.
the details are great on this, you know.
This is nostalgic. You hang on to this. Hang on to that.
That's gonna,
Full show.
that's definitely gonna be with me for a while.
Cool.
Now this is a hell of a treat. Okay, this big box right here.
Look at that.
It's the One Touch 4. And whoever had this, you guys know how good this was back in the day. And it's 250 gigabytes.
250 gigabytes. Now, just to give you an idea, my iPhone XR has 256 gigabytes in it.
This is the hard drive right here. The tower.
Wow.
And it makes a cool sound when it's loading up and everything.
Yeah,
too.
that's it.
Yeah, that's what it makes. But my sister was still using this to hear her music of all the songs that we kept, Spanish and all that stuff. So
wow.
And then
All right, everybody, that's gonna do the video. I hope you guys really enjoyed it. A little bit of PC nostalgia. If you liked the video, go ahead and do me a favor and give it a big old thumbs up. If you hated it, you can give it a thumbs down. But no matter what you do, don't forget to click that subscribe button and click the bell right next to it so you'll be notified every time I upload new videos. And don't forget to check out
me. Like I said, if you guys want to hear funny stories, just go ahead and check out my YouTube channel, WTI, Where's That Invite?
Alright, so once again, thank you so much, and thank you, Bert, aka Where That Invite, for sharing all this classic tech.
Careful with the dust.
Careful with the dust. And until I see you in the next video, this is PJ the Great saying out.
Retro.
5000 G.
Retro style.
Retro style. I still don't know what the hell that is.